Guys, I'm sure you clicked on this video because you saw we're about to make some cool Peeps wax melts. These wax melts are going to be so different. Oh my God. So before we make these wax melts, I know a lot of people are going to be asking, like, how can I get the mold? Guys, if you click on the link in the description box, it will take you to a video where it will teach you. Because first of all, Walmart sells the cookies. Okay, Walmart sells the cookies. You can pull them up online. You can get them shipped to you quick if you need to get them shipped. But if they were in my stores, and more than likely they're in your stores in the Easter section. Okay. Now, when it came down to the molds, I ended up, like, I have a tutorial inside of the description box where you can click on, and it basically teach you how to make a silicone mold using products that you can buy locally. It teach you from start to finish how to pour it, how to lay the products down, make them stand in place, all of that. So you can click in the description box and you will really thoroughly enjoy this video. It's very fast. You can make these molds today, because I made these molds today and I'm actually getting ready to make more. I like them. Well, anyway, guys, what you're going to need is you're going to need some soy wax. We're going to keep using this. I still got more $4.94. We're going to keep using this $4.94 till it's all going. I'm not even going to lie to you. Once I'm finished with this bag of $4.94, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy some more because I trust this wax. Yes, we've been doing things with $4.94. I really love a lot about this wax. I love how it just comes straight out of the mold. I love the coloring. I love all of this, and it's really strong. And I never really had no soy wax, like, as far as not candles. I'm just talking about like melts. You can make melts out of it, and it's a real strong wax. Usually I use paraffin. So if I'm saying something is strong and it's soy, I'm not going to lie to you. It's really strong. It's some good wax. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish up with this wax. We're going to use this. You need some color dye, color blocks. You're going to need a paintbrush because we're going to go ahead and paint the eyes on there. Matter of fact, you're not even going to need a paintbrush. You're going to need an ink pen. We're going to do it with an ink pen instead. I like the ink pen because you can get perfect dots with the ink pen. So come on, guys. Let's go ahead in the studio and let's get to pouring and have a good old-fashioned time. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat my wax up. And I'm going to choose like a really light, sugary fragrance for this. What I did notice about using this wax is you have to use a strong fragrance to really get, because I did the wax melts the first time and the second time. The first time I used like a cotton candy fragrance from Just Scent, and Just Scent do have strong stuff, don't get me wrong. So I wouldn't say that, you know, their stuff ain't strong, but it was just that particular fragrance was not the strongest. But when I came back again and I used like this what is it, Virginia Candle, it was some Virginia Candle cherry cheesecake fragrance. That was really strong, and I love this cherry cheesecake fragrance. It's only a few fragrances that I actually will buy from Virginia Candle, and that's one of them. Also, I think they don't sell this no more, but El Nino Poptail from Aztec, I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I will check and see if they sell it. That was another one that I used, and that one was really strong as well. So that's what I noticed, like, you definitely have to have some strong fragrance to get a hot throw out of this wax. So I'm going to use some Sugar Cookie Royale because I already have like the sugar cookie label that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh out this wax. We're just going to make a few cookies, maybe about 3 or 4. So let me go ahead and turn on this lovely scale and weigh this wax out. All right, so I have about, I'm going to use about a good 16, 17, 18. I'm going to use about a good 20 ounces of wax. I know that's a lot, but I'm going to make quite a few cookies. And I want to make sure that I have enough because I'm going to be coloring them and stuff like that, transferring them. So I want to make sure I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and heat that on up. And once I heat that up, we're going to color it. We're going to pour it together. And this is definitely going to be a fun process, guys. So hang in there with me, okay? All right. Okay, let me take my little mask off. Make sure you have one of these. Because baby, when I tell you, that fragrance can get pretty strong. I'm going to go ahead and pour, because this is fully solidified. We did pink for our first cookie, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this. Okay, so I went ahead and poured my little cookie part. I waited till the wax fully solidified. If I would have did it before that, it would have just melted into the pink part. So you want to wait till the wax cool down quite a bit. The next part we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to color another part of the wax. So I already got my pink. I'm going to go ahead and do like a purple and a blue and maybe a yellow. It just depends on how we feel, okay? All right, so let's let these cookies solidify. Then we're going to pop them out and see what they look like and go from there, okay? Okay, so pretty much I'm just going to leave them out to solidify and dry, and I'm going to take a picture of them. But guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you back again soon. All right.